A pleasant morning, children. Dear students, you know the different kinds of pollutions. For example, water pollution, air pollution, soil pollution, etc. One of the major problem occur by the plastic. Do you know? A little over 10,000 tons a day of plastic waste remains uncollected. How much? 10,000 tons a day per day. Plastic waste remains uncollected. Americans are generating more plastic garbage or trash than ever, and every little of it gets recycled. Very little it gets recycled, and plastic and their byproducts are littering our cities, oceans, and waterways, and contributing to health problems in humans and animals. So, in this video, today's lesson, let us study about the avoid plastics. Here, children, some competencies are there you should gain in this lesson. These are the competencies about students will be able to read properly with stress, pause, intonation, and voice modulation. That is very important. When we read the lesson, our proper stress, pause, intonation, and voice modulation, where we rise our voice and where we down our voice, that is very important. We should modulate our voice. And another thing, identify the antonyms and opposites, and you know we will be learned to about singular and plural forms, and you can identify the which are the suffix and prefixes, and you know you will be know about how to avoid plastics. Here some new words are there, children. These are mold, give a shape to, that is called mold. We give the molding, we can give the mold with the plastics easily. Disposable, mean to be used once or thrown. For example, this type of pens, this is use and throw. Disposable, mean to be used once and thrown. Disposable. And non-biodegradable, not capable of being decomposed. That is not decomposed. That is non-biodegradable. Biodegradables are they can compost with decomposed. And enormous means very large or huge or big. Hazardous means risky or dangerous. Migration. You know you watch the TV, so plenty of people migrate from Bangalore to their natives. That is called migrations. They move from one place to another. Why they are moved from village to cities, or sometimes cities to village? For due to Corona, COVID-19, they migrate to return to native. Then toxic, poisonous. Toxic means poisonous. Recycling, convert waste to reusable material. That is called recycling. We can recycle the plastics. Global warming, the increase in temperature of Earth's atmosphere. Here, observe the picture. Observe the pictures given below and draw a circle around the picture you would like to choose and say why you have chosen it. For example, children, the first one is snake skin bag. ಹಾವಿನ ಚರ್ಮದಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್. ಅರ್ಥನ್ ಪಾಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮಡ್ ಪಾಟ್. ಲೀಫ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್, ಎಲೆಗಳಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬೀಟಲ್ ನಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬೀಟಲ್ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಯೂಸ್. ಅದು ಎಲೆಯ ಅಡಕೆ ತಟ್ಟೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್, ಬಟ್ಟೆಯಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬಳಸಬೇಕು. Then plastic tumbler, ಐವರಿ ನೆಕ್ಲೆಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಂತದಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿ, ಆನೆಯ ದಂತ ಇದೆ ಅದರಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ನೆಕ್ಲೆಸ್ ಅದು. ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಸ್ಟೂಲ್, ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್, crocodile skin belt. We wear the belts and the different kinds of materials they used. And banana leaves, ಬಾಳೆ ಎಲೆಗಳು. ಜೂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೆಣಬಿನಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್. ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ which materials you choose, circle it. Okay, then avoid plastics. Here it is a wonderful saying, it is time to say no to plastic, because our governments banned the plastics for the plenty of different types of hazards. The plastic creates the different types of hazards to not only to the human being, to the animals also. For that, it is time to say no to plastic. Shall we go to the lesson? Plastic is not a strange product to anyone. It is not a strange product. It is very familiar to all. It is not a strange product to anyone. It's everywhere in the present world, and it has become part of our life. Alexander Parks, that is very important. Alexander Parks created the first man-made plastic. Who invented the plastic? Alexander Parks. Alexander Parks created the first man-made plastic in 1855. At 1855, invented the plastic. He demonstrated it in an international exhibition in London. He named it as Porcesine. His name is Parks. He named it as Porcesine. So, who invented the plastic, children? Alexander Parks invented the plastic. What did he name it? He named it Porcesine. He named it to Porcesine. Then, the common and wide use of plastic is mainly because it is inexpensive, it is long lasting, and it is easy to make. This substance can be molded into any form by heating, and it can be retained in that particular form when we cool it. It can be made into thin and light materials, which is now widely used to make hard and disposable carry bags or packing materials. Here, the first in that sentence, in the inverted comma sentence where they used it is time to say no to plastic. Please, children, you should use the plastics. You are the ambassadors to avoid the plastics, because you are the key role in your home. If you say to your parents, they will accept it. Correct? So, don't use sometimes we use the little bit of plastics, but should avoid the majority of the plastics, especially the very less microns, thin plastics are very dangerous, very hazardous to the nature, not only nature and human beings, animals, everything. Then, plastic is not a strange product. It is not a strange product. Strange ಅಂದರೆ ಅಪರಿಚಿತ, ಯಾರು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದು ಅನ್ನಲ್ಲ. It is not a strange product. It is very familiar to everyone. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಚಿರಪರಿಚಿತ. It is everywhere in the present world. Observe. It can appear, it can present everywhere. So, we can see the plastic everywhere in the present world, and it has become a part of our life. In our life, we use the plastic every day and everywhere, every time. That is like a omnipresent, omnipotent, like that we give the names to the God, like that. It is like omnipresent. ಸರ್ವಂತರ್ಯಾಮಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಒಂದು. Then, Alexander Parks created the first man-made plastic. Who created? Alexander Parks created the first man-made plastic. He demonstrated it in an international exhibition in London. The international exhibition was held in London. In that exhibition, he demonstrated about the plastic, and he named it as porcine. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟ porcine, because his name was Porks, Alexander Porks. In the inbuilt that name along with that, ಅದರ ಜೊತೆ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡಿತ್ತು porcine. The common and wide use of plastic is mainly because it is inexpensive. Why do you use the plastic everywhere in the present world? Because it is inexpensive. Expensive, dubari. Inexpensive, opposite words. Inexpensive. ಕಡಿಮೆಯ ಖರ್ಚಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ದೊರೆಯುತ್ತೆ. It is long lasting. It has the wonderful durability. Long lasting. ಭಾಳ ವರ್ಷಗಳವರೆಗೆ ಬಳಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಲಾಂಗ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಸಿ ಟು ಮೇಕ್. ಅದನ್ನು ತಯಾರಿಸೋದು ಭಾಳ ಸುಲಭ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಸಿ ಟು ಮೇಕ್. ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಸಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಮೌಲ್ಡೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಎನಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಬೈ ಹೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರಿಟೈನ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ವೆನ್ ಕೂಲ್ಡ್. ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಹೀಟ್ ಇಟ್, we can give the any form, any kind of shapes, and when we cool it, it retain that particular shape and size. It can be made into thin and light material. Observe, very thin and light materials. When we always we use the lot of carry bags, very less microns, that is, which is now widely used to make hard and disposable carry bags and packaging materials. Nowadays we use the disposable and carry bags, we use it everywhere in our daily life. Those are the plastics, very thin and light materials, children. Now we will go to the next para. These qualities cause threat to environment. It is threat. It is dangerous to the environment. As it is cheap and easily available, people dispose plastic everywhere. Plastic stays on the earth's surface for many centuries, as it is long lasting and is impossible to decompose. It ultimately causes enormous environmental hazards due to migration. Plastic pollution is highly concentrated in big cities. When these are thrown after use, they remain in the soil in the same form as they are non-biodegradable. Here, children, these qualities, which are those qualities, cause threat to the environment as it is cheap and easily available. One is that is inexpensive, cheap and easily available. We can get the plastics everywhere, and people dispose plastic everywhere because it is very inexpensive. They throw it everywhere. Plastic stays on the earth's surface for many centuries as it is long lasting. The quality of that long lasting, for that it is collected on the earth's surface centuries, from the centuries, means above the 100 years above. It ultimately causes enormous environmental hazards. Observe that, risky and danger, enormous, very large, very huge. Ultimately means finally causes enormous environmental hazards due to migration. The migration means people move from one place to another, that is called migration. The different reasons are there. The people wants to get the job, they will migrate to the cities. They want to earn the money, they migrate to cities. They want to get the education and good health, for that they migrate to cities for that. Then these people, when they migrate to the cities, the urban area will get the more population. More population will makes the pollution. Plastic pollution is highly concentrated in big cities because it is easily available. It is inexpensive. They throw it everywhere. When these are thrown after use, they remain in the soil in the same form as they are non-biodegradable, not capable of being decomposed. We can decompose the papers, either banana leaves. If we put in the soil after we use, after we eat our, after we take our food with the banana leaves, we throw it on the leaf, on the soil, that will decompose in the soil, that will get manure, good manure to the earth. The soil will get fertile. ಆ ಮಣ್ಣು ಫಲವತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬನಾನಾ ಲೀವ್ಸನ್ನು ಮಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಾಗ ಅದು ಫಲವತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಡಿಕಂಪೋಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪೇಪರು ಈ ಥರದವು ಸಹ ಅವು ಸಹ ಡಿಕಂಪೋಸ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ, ಅವು ಕೊಳೀತವೆ, ಆ ಮಣ್ಣಿನೊಡನೆ ಬೆರೆತು ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಫಲವತ್ತತೆಯನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸ್ತವೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಆದರೆ ಅದು ಬೇಗ ಕೊಳೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಅದರ ಬಾಳಿಕೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷಗಳು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಹಾಗೆ ಕೊಳೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಭೂಮಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ದೆನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದ ಹೂ ಇನ್ವೆಂಟೆಡ್ ದ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಲೆಕ್ಸಾಂಡರ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ 1813 to 1890. This is the birth and death year. Here 1855 he invented the plastic. Okay, then here some antonyms or opposites are there, children. Strange, aparichita; familiar, parichita; wide, agala; narrow; easy, difficult; light, heavy; cheap, expensive. cheap ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಿವ್. ಚೀಪ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಿವ್, ಅಗ್ಗವಾಗಿ ಸಿಗುವುದು ಅಂತ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಿವ್ ಅಂದರೆ ದುಬಾರಿ. ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯ, ಇಂಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಅಸಾಧ್ಯ. ಬಯೋಡಿಗ್ರೇಡಬಲ್ ನಾನ್ ಬಯೋಡಿಗ್ರೇಡಬಲ್. ಎನಾರ್ಮಸ್ ಟೈನಿ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್. ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಟ್. These are the words you should write in your homework twice. Thank you.